Rakib Hussain, batch 221. Today we present a presentation in business research method. Today we present our topic is different method of collecting data, and here is my team, Joy Krishnapal from batch 221 and Sifat Bhuya, batch 221, and Mehdi Hasan Uddin, batch 221, behind Kazi Ashfaq Anan, batch 221. Collecting methods of collecting data is essential for research, business, and decision making. Different methods of data collection are suited to various types of research. Objectives and resources. Below are the main methods of collecting data. Data is survey and questionnaire. A method of collecting data, information flow is structured questions answered by participants, like online forms, Google Forms, feedback forms, or tools. And some advantages of surveys and questionnaires are cost-effective and quick for large group. Second one, can capture a mix of quantitative and qualitative data. And there are some disadvantages: risk of low response rates or biased answers. And the second part is interview that will carry on.
Job interviews, customer service advantages. Provide detailed insights and flexible and allows unclear information of disadvantage, time consuming and expensive.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sifat Bhuya, student of University of Bombay. Thirdly, I am discuss observation. Observation means collecting data by watching and analyzing behavior in natural and controlled environment. Example: observing customer behavior to restore classroom dynamics. There are some advantages and disadvantages in observation. Like advantage: capture authentic real-time behavior, useful non-verbal cause. Disadvantage means observation days lacks participant feedback. That's all. Next, Jagdishpal can clarify the next part. Thank you.
Thank you. Topic number 4, experiment. Number 1, example. Conducting control test to observe change under the satisfied control. Number 2, example, A/B testing for website media trial. Number 3, advantage. Essential case and effect relationship. Relationship are relatable. Number 4, disadvantage. Cost and may lack real world of application. Topic number 5, describe Kazi Ashfaq Anan. Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, good morning everyone. I'm Kazi Ashfaq Anan. I'm from Business Administration, batch 221. Here my previous teammates provided the necessary data for explaining